Our skin is amazing. It protects us and lets us feel the world. But sometimes our skin needs extra help. This is where medicated creams come in. They're like special helpers for our skin, tackling problems like acne and dryness. Medicated creams are not like regular lotions. They have special ingredients that work deep down to make our skin healthy. They can calm redness, reduce itching, and even clear up blemishes. Think of medicated creams as a team working to make your skin its best. They work with your body to soothe irritation and promote healing. Whether you have a specific skin concern or just want to keep your skin healthy, medicated creams can be a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Medicated creams are like superheroes for your skin. They contain special ingredients that can tackle a variety of skin problems. These creams are designed to treat specific issues, from acne to eczema. One of the great things about medicated creams is that they are available over the counter or through a prescription from your doctor. This means you can easily find a cream that suits your needs. It's important to remember that medicated creams work best when used correctly. Always follow the instructions on the label and talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. By understanding how medicated creams work, you can make informed decisions about your skin health. Remember, these creams are powerful allies in your journey to healthy, radiant skin. Medicated creams are like specialized tools for different skin problems. Let's look at how they tackle common issues like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. For acne, some creams contain benzoyl peroxide. This ingredient fights the bacteria that cause those pesky pimples. Other creams use salicylic acid to unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. Eczema, which causes red, itchy patches, can benefit from creams with hydrocortisone. This ingredient calms inflammation and reduces the urge to scratch. Psoriasis, a condition that leads to thick, scaly skin, can be managed with creams containing corticosteroids. These ingredients slow down skin cell growth, reducing the appearance of those patches. Remember, it's crucial to choose the right cream for your specific skin concern. Always consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options.
With so many medicated creams available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why it's crucial to consult a dermatologist. They are skin experts who can assess your needs and recommend the best cream for you. A dermatologist will consider your skin type, the severity of your condition, and any allergies you may have. They can also determine if you need an over-the-counter cream or a prescription-strength option. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another. Your friend's favorite acne cream might not be suitable for your skin. Trust the expertise of a dermatologist to guide you towards the most effective and safe treatment option for your unique skin concerns.
Section 5. Decoding the label. What to look for in a medicated cream. Understanding the label on a medicated cream is like having a secret code to unlock healthier skin. It provides essential information that can guide you in choosing the right product for your specific needs. Here are some key things to look for. Active ingredients. These are the ingredients that directly address your skin concern. They are the powerhouse components that make the cream effective. Look for ingredients like benzoyl peroxide for acne or hydrocortisone for eczema. Strength medicated creams come in different strengths. The strength of a cream is determined by the percentage of the active ingredient it contains. A higher percentage of the active ingredient means a stronger cream. However, stronger isn't always better. It depends on your skin's tolerance and the severity of your condition. Start with a lower strength and gradually increase if needed under the guidance of your dermatologist. Purpose. The label will tell you what the cream is designed to treat, such as acne, eczema, or dry skin. This helps you ensure that you are using the right product for your specific skin issue. Always follow the directions for use carefully. Directions are there to maximize the effectiveness of the cream and minimize potential side effects. Some creams are meant for daily use, while others should be used less frequently. Knowing this can help you integrate the cream into your skincare routine effectively. By learning to decode the label, you can make informed choices about the medicated creams you use. This knowledge empowers you to take better care of your skin. Remember, it's always best to consult with your dermatologist if you have any questions. They can provide personalized advice based on your skin type and condition.
Section 6. Applying medicated creams, a step-by-step guide to healthy skin. Applying medicated creams correctly is essential for achieving the best results and maintaining healthy skin. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you apply these creams effectively and safely. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before you start. This prevents the spread of bacteria and ensures your hands are clean. 2. Cleanse your skin gently with a mild cleanser and pat it dry with a clean towel. Avoid harsh scrubbing, which can irritate the skin and cause further issues. 3. Apply a small amount of the medicated cream to the affected area as directed. A pea-sized amount is often sufficient for most applications. 4. Gently massage the cream into your skin using circular motions until it is fully absorbed. Be careful to avoid getting the cream in your eyes, nose, or mouth, as it can cause irritation. 5. Wash your hands again after applying the cream to remove any residue. Remember, consistency is key. Use the cream as directed by your dermatologist, even if you start to see improvement. Consistent use is crucial for the best results.
Section 7. Building a skincare routine. Integrating medicated creams for optimal results. Medicated creams work best as part of a holistic skincare routine. Here's how to integrate them effectively. Start with a gentle cleanser. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type and doesn't strip away natural oils. Apply medicated cream as directed. Follow your dermatologist's instructions regarding frequency and amount. Moisturize regularly. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing helps maintain a healthy skin barrier. Protect your skin from the sun. Apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days. Remember, your skincare routine should be tailored to your individual needs. Consult with a dermatologist to create a personalized plan that addresses your specific concerns.
Section 8. The power of prevention lifestyle choices for radiant skin. While medicated creams can effectively target skin concerns, lifestyle choices play a crucial role in preventing future issues. Here are some tips for maintaining healthy skin from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep skin hydrated and plump. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for essential vitamins and minerals. Stress can trigger skin problems. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow skin cells to repair and regenerate. By adopting a holistic approach to skincare that encompasses both external and internal factors, you can achieve long-lasting, radiant skin.
Section 9. Hydration, your skin's thirst quencher. Just like our bodies need water to function, so does our skin. Hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. When we're dehydrated, our skin can become dry, flaky, and more prone to wrinkles. It's like a plant that hasn't been watered. It starts to wither. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to replenish moisture from the inside out. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can also boost hydration by using a good moisturizer. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which attracts and retains moisture. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin. Make water your best friend and your skin will thank you for it.
Section 10, patience is key. The journey to healthier skin. In a world of instant gratification, it's important to remember that achieving healthy skin takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just like building a strong muscle requires consistent effort, so does improving your skin. Regular exercise and a balanced diet also play a crucial role. Stick to your skincare routine, including the use of medicated creams, and be patient with the process. Consistency is the key to seeing long-term results. It's also important to manage expectations. Understand that everyone's skin is different and reacts differently to products. While medicated creams can significantly improve skin health, they may not completely eliminate all concerns. It's a journey, not a quick fix. Embrace your skin's unique beauty and focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate the small improvements you see along the way. Remember, every step you take towards caring for your skin is a step in the right direction. Each routine, each product, and each moment of self-care adds up. Celebrate small victories and trust that with consistency, you will achieve healthier, more radiant skin. Your dedication will pay off in the long run.
Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the journey to your best skin. Taking care of your skin is an act of self-care. By incorporating medicated creams into a holistic skincare routine and making healthy lifestyle choices, you're investing in your skin's health and overall well-being. Remember to consult with a dermatologist to determine the best course of treatment for your individual needs. They are your trusted partners in achieving your skincare goals. Embrace the journey to healthier skin with patience, consistency, and a positive mindset. Remember, you are beautiful inside and out, and your skin deserves to be celebrated.